In ancient Rome, the fascists ruled, a symbol of the day. But now we've got Matt Walsh, and irony is here to stay. He warned about raw milk, but the fascists turned their heads, rejecting all the science, they chose ignorance instead. Oh, the Fasces-Eating Panzer party, where the leopards roam free. They promised strength and glory, but now they're coming for me. Transgender souls were lost in history's darkest night, persecuted, silenced in the Holocaust. Plight of JK Rowling says it ain't so. Adding to the pain, while Matt Walsh's fans drink raw milk, and irony's the gain. The Panzer rolls on through with a heart of steel, but the irony is clear in the pain we feel. The fascists once a symbol of power and control, now twisted in this satire to highlight the toll. Matt Walsh, always so loud with transphobia that always stings, rejecting all the science that trans acceptance could bring. Yet when he spoke of safety in the milk we drink each day, the fascists turned against him in a most ironic way. Oh, the Fasces-Eating Panzer party, where the leopards roam free. They promised strength and glory, but now they're coming for me. Dog whistle for white supremacy, a symbol of the hatred and false supremacy. The irony is clear in the choices that we make, for the path we choose to follow and the chances that we take. The Iron Cross, a symbol of valor and of might, now tainted by the Nazis in history's darkest night. The irony of symbols in the games we play reflects the twisted paths in the choices of today. Of high iron content, another twist of fate, a pun on iron irony in this complex state. The irony of iron in the milk we drink each day reflects the tangled web in the choices we portray. Oh, the Fasces-Eating Panzer party, where the leopards roam free. Strength and glory, but now they're coming for me. So let this be a lesson in the choices that we make, for the paths we choose to follow and the chances that we take. In the land of ancient Rome and the world we see today, the irony of power in the games we play.
That was the or wicked tree planner. The irony is power in the games we play.